dog. We're at Grassy Ranch today. It's a little bit windy out. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Your best llama call. I have a mild obsession with baby donkeys for no reason. They're so cute. Are you kidding me? Oh, little guy. Oh my gosh. Why are you so cute? Stinking animals. Who's ready for pit racing?
Windy afternoon!
I dare you guys to pick a leaf and take it home. Oh my god, he's going in! That's a $5 leaf! So we got these guys. They're so cute. They're like this. It's as big as your face. Alright, now let's see what we really came here for. Show on there.